I wanted to make a little video tracking the progress of the sawmill. We got the platform built, track in. That's the track right there. And that's the engine. It's like 640 cc V-twin. And there's the actual saw assembly slash chassis slash roller trolley that sits right here, and the engine goes on top of it. It's got the blades and the shroud for the blades. The shroud is that's the shroud right there. Oops. There's that's all crinkled up. The decal for the for you could see how high your blade is. Whoa, got it. But just got to get to work on it. Parts, parts, parts. Anyways, sawmill will be up and running probably in about a month. And that's what I'm going to use to load logs with. It's got the big old grappler in the front. And, oops, my plan for like going out into the deepest part of the Ozarks looking for logs when I'm not getting them off my property. The plan is to use my truck, my moving truck that I moved to the Ozarks from California. Right there. But I'm gonna have to take that box off the, I'm gonna build up a little spot on the property for it to sit on. But I figured if I put a flatbed of some sort on there, it'd be good for loading logs. I could offload them with the tractor, put them onto the mill, and there you go. Lifting the box off, making that arrangement will be like the most crucial thing, but just taking these bolts off and wherever else it's hooked up, well, obviously there's a lift gate that's got to come off, and then putting a flatbed on this bad boy, and we'll be good to go. What do you think? Yeah. Cool. Well, as I make progress, I'll make some more video, put it all together, and yeah, it'll be pretty fun to do our first mill, our first log rather. I'm thinking something, it's got to be something like glorious, like it's some black walnut or something like that. There's my neighbor John going by.